Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and this is a very important video because we are at a critical stage. We're going into the weekend, and a lot of you are going to have a lot of time on your hands to think about, what do I do? Is the price going up? Is the price going down? And you might make some very big mistakes. Now, I want to start off by saying we've seen the rise of Doge today and how much it's gone up in the rally. And what I have also seen is people saying that 3 years ago or 2 years ago, well, there was one particular case, 2 years ago, a guy bought Doge, had 10 million of them, sold them for 40K profit, thought he had done amazing from his initial $4,000 investment. Today, just 2 years later, it would have been worth $4 million. Be very careful about the impulse decisions that you make this weekend. Not financial advice, certainly not a financial advisor, but be very mindful of the decisions you make during this bull run in the long term, because it will come back to bite in the future. So let's get started. We're at 166 today. From a price point of view, we dropped to as low as 163 and we went as high as 185 in the last 24 hours. So we'll be kind of sitting on in a channel. We've sort of dipped below that channel at the moment, and then over the course of this video, I'm going to talk to you about what are the possible options this weekend. So stick around with me. So let's start off by saying we have dipped below 171, and so there is a very strong chance that we could go to 133. Now, for those of you that have been waiting to get back into this XRP bull run, congratulations, because your prayers may well get answered, and it's going to be, in the long term, it's going to be really good for for you guys to come back into this run at a better rate than 166. So that is definitely an option, definitely. But we're still on track for everything that is coming to Ripple. There is no two ways about it. We are definitely going $2, $3, $4 and beyond. So you might get lucky and you might get a really good entry for XRP. So I want to make sure you know that. Long term, why is this happening? So if we look at what happened previously, before the next leg up, that's sort of the pattern that we took. And we are sitting in a very similar case right now, but we are breaking out. So we could potentially be retracing back to that 130 before we push up and beyond. But long term, we're looking smooth. Very smooth. So the path to 3-digit XRP looks kind of something like this. We're going to potentially, this is on the XRP this is the USD dollar, and where we're at right now and where we're going. So we've gone, obviously past the dollar and pushed forward. Now we're going to retrace, and then we're going to push forward. We're going to be sitting sideways. Once we get to $19, we're going to sit sideways between 10 and 19 for a while before we push to 20s, 50s, and 100s and beyond. Now, it's not an overnight thing. We are talking about 2022. And I've made that, and I hope I've made that clear in regards to, this is a long-term play. So, what is happening right now? We're retracing. It's a correction. There's no doubt about it. And do not make the mistake that so many make. Yeah, but it's just a guy on YouTube talking. I'm watching my money disappear, or I'm watching my profits disappear. We're fine. Everything that is happening right now is absolutely fine. There is nothing here that I've seen, and I've taken a long time today to look at this, to signal that we are not in a bull run for XRP. Even if we dropped to $1, we are bullish, making bullish moves to $2 and beyond. I want to make sure you guys know because I don't want you to make the mistake. And if we look at XRP versus Bitcoin over a long term, we've got another 600-700% to go just to get back to where we were back in 2018. So there is plenty of bullish news to come out of XRP. Now, if you don't believe me or you are worried, this is what's happening. You know, like we are simply retracing. We're going to find support. We're going to find the bottom of the support, and then we're going to keep pushing forward. I cannot stress that enough. And the main reason for making this today is that I do not want you to be in a position where Monday, Tuesday, next week, you're buying XRP at $3 because you just simply didn't hold. Patience is the name of the game in crypto. And I know it's stressful. I know it's at times annoying, but patience is the name of the game because we are heading to $2 and beyond. And we might have a couple of bumpy days, but we're going there. That's exactly where we're going. And on tradingview.com, still signals for a buy, not for a sell. Don't sell. Like, honestly, you've waited this long. Do not sell because the price has dropped a little bit from where we were, you know, when we hit 190. And now, you know, we've dropped to 166. I can see how you could think, oh no, is this the time where we dump again? But we are smashing through this bull run. We're going to be at $2.30 in next to no time. Hold strong. It is the key message for today. So key resistance around 149. If we break 149 as a resistance, we will drop to all the way to $1. And I am telling you, that's fine. If we do, we do. And that's how I see my portfolio when I've, you know, looked at the analytics and I've looked at the stats. And if we do, we do. You know, if we go to $1, we go to $1 and we wait and we accumulate and we buy more. That is what we do. Now, when we get to $3.50, there is going to be huge resistance. And so we are going to see a massive retrace. And I'm talking, it will melt accounts and people will panic and will sell. And that will be once again another great opportunity to buy more. At 350, there will be a huge resistance. So be prepared. That's why I make these videos. I don't make them for, you know, for any other purpose apart from look at what I'm seeing. Make your own judgment, of course. But look at this. You know, 166, 168, right here on the line. Where are we at right now? 165. I'm telling you, it is following. It is following the pattern. Trust the analytics. Trust the technicals, the fundamentals. Don't worry about emotions. This is not a game of emotions. Again, another way of looking at this. 150 is a strong support line and a great opportunity for you to buy more. So, I do feel for you though, because we are in a particular predicament where it could go one way or the other. I don't have a specific direction right now in the next 24 hours of where we are going. We could go to 150. We could go to 220. That is both are possibilities right now. So keep very, very close eye. If we drop under 160 and we push back up to 170 and then keep going down, then you are going to be in pole position at $1.30, $1.50 to get yourself in a nice heavy discount before we push to 220, 230, 250 and beyond. So take it as a shopping spree, 50% off or 25% off or 30% off. At the same time, if we push above, go to 190, get support at 175, then we will skyrocket to 220, 210. So what to do in this situation? If you've made up your mind that you're going to be in XRP long term, perhaps buy some now and then wait to see a correction, whether it's going up or down, and then accumulate more? Or you just simply hold, wait, and find yourself a great opportunity at 130, 150. But just be mindful over the next 24 to 48 hours, some people are going to be making massive mistakes, which will have huge implications long term when XRP goes $2, 5, 10, 40, and beyond. They will. It will do that. And you need to play the long game. Play long. This is not a short term. This is no emotional. Too many people are going to make the mistake. We're going to 250. And I want you to say it with me. We're going to 250. We are going to 250. And there is absolutely no doubt that we are. And we may get some bumps on the road, but we are definitely going to 250. Now, if you liked the video, enjoyed, learned something, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you all so much. Cannot wait to see you on the next one.